In order to transfer your work from the rough draft to the final draft, you'll need to have two screens open. The first screen that you need to have open is the UTSI Informational Essay Pre-Writing and Drafting Assignment. This is the one that has the picture of the mountains on the tile. This is where you should have been writing the rough draft for your UTSI essay. The other assignment that you'll need to have open is in Google Classroom. You'll scroll down to the section titled UTSI Informational Essay Resources, and then open up the assignment UTSI Informational Essay Final Draft. Once you have these two windows open, you'll need to begin copying and pasting your rough draft into this final draft area. You'll need to scroll down to the introductory paragraph, which is number 12. Highlight the text that you want. Copy it by pressing Ctrl-C or right-clicking and pressing copy. And then go into the UTSI Essay Final Draft and paste it by either pressing Ctrl-V or right-clicking and clicking paste. It may come up with some odd highlighting that looks like this. In order to get rid of that highlighting, simply select the text, go up to the top, and click this little button that looks like a paintbrush. For highlight color, choose None, and then change the text color to black. You can then also change the font so that it matches the same size as the heading, and continue that process with your body paragraphs and your conclusion. Be sure to leave a little bit of space in between each paragraph so that it's clear where one paragraph starts and another begins. Please also make sure to customize the heading at the top so that it is aligned to you. So you're going to delete first name, last name, and put in your first name and last name. You'll delete this blank and put in your section number. You'll delete this blank and put in the date. And then whichever teacher is yours, delete the other teacher's name so that your final draft of a heading looks like this.